Hello everyone. Our today's topic is class 12, chapter number 4, reproductive health. Let us see this chapter. Reproduction is the fundamental property of a living being and essential for the multiplication of species. The term reproductive health refers to healthy reproductive organs with normal function. If we see the WHO definition, what is reproductive health? Reproductive health means a total well-being in all the aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavioral and social. Let us see now what are reproductive health problem and strategies. So what are we facing now? So some of the problems are discussed over here. These are overpopulation. We all know that India is a populous country and large number of population is the main problem of our country. We face many problems such as unemployment, lack of nutrition, then medical facilities, education inavailability. These are all problems which we are facing due to overpopulation. So India was the first country in the world to take an action against this and has launched a program in year 1951. And this program was called as family planning. Then it was revised. This program was revised, and now it is known as the reproductive and child health care programs. Now let us see how can what are the strategies to overcome with overpopulation. Awareness about reproduction. So government and non-government agencies, NGOs have taken various steps to create awareness among the people about the reproduction related aspects with the help of audio, visual and print media. Then next is sex education. Introduction of sex education in school has been encouraged so as to provide right information to the youth. Adolescence related changes and STDs. So what are the adolescent related changes and STDs? It is important to provide proper information to the young about the reproductive organ. Adolescents, we know who are the adolescents. The children who are in growing period, they are called as adolescents. Safe and hygienic sexual practices, sexually transmitted disease, that is STDs. Knowledge about them, such as AIDS, it will help them to lead a reproductive healthy life. The next is birth control and care of mother and child. So if you are taking care of child during its birth time and care of a mother during her pregnancy time, then also we can overcome from this problem. Sex abuse and sex related crimes nowadays we are facing. Awareness about the problems due to uncontrollable population growth, social evils like sex abuse and sex related crimes, etc., need to be created to enable the people to think and take up necessary steps to prevent them and thereby build up a socially responsible and healthy society. Then infrastructure and medical facilities and material support, it is also necessary. To attend the reproductive health of the society, various action plans such as strong infrastructural facilities, professional expertise and material support should be successfully implemented. Then let us come to the next topic, that is population explosion and birth control. We know what is population. Population means total number of individual of a species present in a particular area at a given time. So we know what a species means. Group of individual, same group of individual, they are capable of reproducing the young one. They are called as species, and these individual of a species when living in a particular area, and that group of species is called as population. And the study of this population on the basis of three aspects, that is change in population size, composition of population, distribution of population, is called as demography. If we see what is census, official counting of population on the basis of age group, birth, death, sex ratio. That means how many male, how many female, how many children, how many youngster, how many old age, how many are taking birth in a particular year, how many deaths are taking place in a particular area. So this counting of population is called as census. First counting of population in India was taken place in year 1891, and after that, after every 10 years, the census is uh, taking place. Now let us see what are the reason of population explosion. A rapid decline in death rate is one of the main reasons of population explosion. Then next is an increase in the number of people of reproductive age. Better public health. Our public health is also getting better, and medical facilities are also getting better. Nowadays, we are having many strategies for protection from natural calamities. So these are all measures. These are all reasons why population is exploding nowadays. Now let us see what are the measures to control over population. First is education. If we educate people, there can be uh, control in the overpopulation. People, particularly those in reproductive age group, should be educated about the advantage of small family. Then raising marriageable age. If we are raising marriageable age, presently marriageable age of a female is 80 and that of a male is 21 years. If we raise this age, then also we can overcome from population explosion. Providing incentives. Certain incentives can be provided to the couples with small family to tackle the problem of overpopulation. Then family planning. The couples of reproductive age are motivated to plan their families by adopting birth control measures. So this is also one of the method of controlling overpopulation. What is birth control? Birth control is a preventive method of birth of a child by using some kind of contraceptives. So some strategies when we follow to control the birth of a child, that method is called as birth control, or we can call contraceptive methods. The ideal contraceptive should be a user friendly, easily available. There should be no or very least side effects of these contraceptives. So some of the methods, how can we prevent unwanted pregnancy, are natural methods. Then barrier methods, there are several barrier methods such as condoms, memidoms, diaphragm. Then intrauterine devices such as copper T, hormonal releases, IUCDs. These are all example of intrauterine device. Then oral contraceptive pills, that is Mala D, Saheli. These are all examples of oral contraceptive pills which prevent pregnancy, unwanted pregnancy. Surgical methods such as vasectomy, tubectomy. These are all examples of surgical methods. In next video, we will see what is medical termination of pregnancy or MTP